Greetings fans, hyperfans and people lost looking for videos of cats on YouTube. This is our post Auto Assembly 2013 haul. These are the postcards that we got with the goodie bags. Voiceover of Bumblebee and Spider-Man and obviously Goldbug. Dan Gilzerian was there, as was Steve Blum, who voiced Prime, Starscream and Fall of Cybertron Shockwave. These were the postcards from the convention pack. We got here on Thursday night where there was a gift swap and a rather charming gentleman who I will link to below gave me Ripclaw. You want to know more about this? Click on this link. Okay, we got Vector Prime, who I picked up from Asia on Full Metal Hero Forum. At the moment, that nice shiny whiteness is time-travelling Energon robot, and by the time that we've got our hands on him, he is going to be a Alpha Trion. Let's see, go back to him. Another custom fodder. This is Beast Machine's Tankor, who is going to be turned into Impactor from Last Stand of the Wreckers. I'm sure I'll do an update video on that. A teeny tiny little Shockwave. This is the Fans Project add-in for their second release of the Bruticus upgrade kit. This was given to me by Andy over at Capel Toys. Scottman 13 and his very charming wife gave us this very discoloured Junker G1 Octane, who kind of makes up the last in a long set. So we now have all three Decepticon triple changers, who are being sort of lovingly restored, if not to G1 perfection, then at least to cool display. This is a Ultra class black recolour of the Powerglide mould. I picked this up from Locust Drain, again off the Full Metal Hero forum, who is being customised with his third engine and little Cobra Commander pilot into a G.I. Joe Rattler. It's also going to be a Headmaster with the Head Robots upgrade as bought from King Grimmy. Also managed to pick up Thundertron, a giant space pirate kitty. A very cool figure, picks him up for a song really. And whilst we're on to space kitties, Universe Cheetor, who Christine managed to find for £1, and he still has his little throwing style thing, so that's very cool. Full of Cybertron data discs. We've got the Ravage, Frenzy, Rumble and Ratbat. Christine also picked up Last Stand of the Wreckers. Really nice Overlord there. Same thing, Nick Rush. Oh, almost didn't mention Arms Micron RC. And one more thing that you have to pick up, which is the Head Robots upgrade set to turn Tomahawk into the Wrecker Wall. So, not necessarily a massive haul. I'm certainly very happy with. It's coming up for 1 o'clock in the morning, so I'm going to get all of this into a suitcase and then crash out.